In this video, we're going to have a look at how to utilize the corners and the corner mullions with curtain walls. And then we're going to have a look at how to create some custom sizes for our corner mullions. Now, there are 4 types in Revit to start with. So if I just click on one of these curtain walls and go to Edit Type, you can see here the trapezoid corner mullion. We've got the L corner, the quad corner, and the V corner. Okay, and each of these, there we go, there's the trapezoid. Quad corner is just a square. The L corner is the L shape, and of course the V corner creates that sort of V in there. So there's the 4 standard types. What we're going to do now is take the L corner as an example. We'll copy this across here. And what we're going to do is create our own size of that, because they only come with one size at the moment. So in your project browser, scroll down to your families and then go to curtain wall mullions and find the L corner mullion. We can double click on it, brings up the type properties box. We duplicate that, change the size to the size that you want. Now bear in mind, it's giving us the thicknesses at first of all. So 125 by 125 is they described it as 150 by 150. Change that thickness there to 125. Okay. Now, if I just press OK, and we'll come back. Right, and now we'll click on this section here. We will duplicate this to a new wall. And now we've got the 150 corner mullion, and we'll change it to the 125. And you can see that it has made it thinner. Okay, but the actual legs are the same length. So just to show you, this bit here is now the 125. But let's just say you wanted to adjust the leg size as well. Again, that can be done. So what we can do is just open up the mullion that we've just created. And if we scroll down in the type properties, we've got the leg 1, leg 2. So you can now adjust those to whatever you desire them to be. So we could have one at 125, we could have the other one at 200 if we want, and say OK. And now you can see that they are an unusual sort of shape. Okay, perhaps they wouldn't normally be that shape. But you can set those to whatever you want. But you may notice that this has created a little problem with the glass. That's an easy one to resolve, because when you go back into the curtain wall and edit the horizontal grid, okay, you could just change it and say OK, and now it automatically resizes the glass, and then you could just change it straight back if you prefer. And then it's done. So you just need to do a resize, and that will solve the glass. And then you can repeat that with the other ones as well, just learning which dimensions edit each side. So there's a quick video on how to use the existing curtain wall corners, mullions, and then create new sizes for your corner mullions as well.